Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a DIY henna eyebrows and how to dye your own eyebrows at home. And also this video is sponsored by Skillshare. I will tell you guys more about them later. So let's just get started. Okay, so this is what my original eyebrows look like. So the first thing is I'm going to map out my eyebrows using a concealer, and then I will be tinting my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna be using a concealer for this. Be a lot easier if I reshape my eyebrows, but since I'm trying to grow them out, I don't want to pluck them or anything. I just want to dye this part. I think I need to fix it a little bit more, but I think that's about it. Alright, so I've already mapped out my eyebrows and that's what they look like. So I will be using this to dye my brows. And this is in the color of dark brown. Just gonna add in some water, mix it, and then apply it on my eyebrows. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like right now. I did a patch test here. It's a bit kind of messy, but I think we can do this. It says to apply it immediately on your eyebrows. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay guys, so this is what my eyebrows looks like right now. I'm gonna let that stay for about 10 minutes and then I'm just going to wash it off. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to tell you guys more about Skillshare while we're waiting for that thing. Skillshare is an online learning community where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. Skillshare classes includes a combination of video lessons and a class project. And also members get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. And also most classes there are under 60 minutes with short lessons to fit any schedule. So if you are into graphic design, photography, creative writing, animation, fine arts, film and video, marketing, productivity, freelance and entrepreneurship, and crafts, you should totally consider joining Skillshare. The online classes that Skillshare offers comes really in handy for me, especially during this time because right now I'm assigned in the media/social media department at our church. So I really want to amp up my skills, especially in the area of video editing, because the video production that I put out here on YouTube is totally different than the video production that we need at our church. And also with the design, just because all of those things I really need it. And also if you guys don't know, I also freelance online, and some of the marketing classes that Skillshare offers can really be of benefit to me. And I just find their classes and courses very interesting. And also the great thing about Skillshare is that it is incredibly affordable, especially when compared to pricey in-person classes and workshops. And subscription is less than $10 a month. And also the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description box down below will get 2 months of premium membership, so you can explore your creativity. So if you guys are interested in amping up your skill or just learn a new thing this 2020, definitely check out Skillshare. Alright, so I think my eyebrows are already done. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this off with water to see its effect. Just going to remove the excess. Actually, I like how it really covered the sparse areas on my eyebrows. I'm not so sure if in the camera it looks weird or anything, but I actually really like its natural effect on my eyebrows because it doesn't look too dark or too like, you know, shaped and all that. I think the ring light somewhat distort what it actually looks like. I'm actually going to go ahead and use my other camera later and let you see what it looks like with natural lighting. Alright you guys, so this is the final result of my eyebrows. I had to re-dye some areas because there were some sparse areas that the color did not touch properly. So this is what they look like right now. I know it's not the best, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I really like my brows done already in the morning. I think I need to do just a little bit of touch up, but at least I don't have to shape them or tint them or anything because they're already tinted with this tint right here. Last time it lasted for about 2 to 3 weeks, which is really great. So yeah, and also if you don't use any oil cleansing stuff on your face, it'll last even longer. So yep, that is it you guys. I hope you all liked this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, my dyed thumb. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!